Question number 8. First part. In how many ways can a student choose a program of 5 courses? How many courses are given? 5 courses. If 9 courses are available, total 5 courses program, and we have to choose from 9 courses. And 2 courses are compulsory for every student. 2 courses compulsory for every student. So how many are left? Out of 5, 2 is compulsory. So 3 only left. 3 courses are left. And here also 2 courses is compulsory. So only 7. So out of 7 only you can choose another 3 courses because 2 courses are compulsory. So 7C3 is the answer. 7C3. So factorial of 7 upon factorial of 3 into factorial of 7 minus 3, that is factorial of 4. 7 into 6 into 5 into factorial of 4 upon factorial 3. I am writing 3 into 2 into 1 into factorial 4 is factorial 4. So it will get cancelled. 3 2s are 6. So 6. 7 5s are 35. So answer is what? 35. So how many ways can a student choose a program of 5 courses if 9 courses are available and 2 courses are compulsory? 35 ways are there. Now part second. How many different committees, each consisting of 3 girls and 2 boys, can be chosen from 7 girls and 5 boys? Consisting of 3 girls and 2 boys can be chosen from 7 girls. So out of 7 you have to choose 3 into. Out of 5 boys you have to choose 5. So 7C3 into 5C2. Is it correct? 7C3 into 5C2. Yeah, fine. So factorial of 7 upon factorial of 3 into factorial of 7 minus 3, that is factorial of 4 into factorial of 5 upon factorial of 2 into factorial of 5 minus 2, that is factorial of 3. Factorial 7 is factorial 7. I am writing factorial 7. I will write 7 into 6 into 5 into factorial of 4. So it will get cancelled with this factorial 4, and this factorial 3 I am opening, that I am writing 3 into 2 into 1 into factorial 5 with 5 into 4 into factorial of 3 upon this factorial 2 I am writing 2 into 1 into factorial 3. This get cancelled. This get cancelled. 3 2s are 6. So this is 35 into 2 2s are 4. 5 2s are 10. So how many ways? 350. So how many different committees is possible? 350 is the answer. Now part third. Now part third, you can see, in how many ways can a team of 3 boys and 3 girls be selected from 5 boys and 4 girls? 5C3. Total 5 boys, and you have to take how many boys? 3 boys, and 3 girls be selected from 4 girls. So 4C3. Is it correct? Yeah, fine. So factorial of 5 upon factorial of 3 into factorial of 5 minus 3, that is factorial 2, into factorial of 4 upon factorial of 3 into factorial of 4 minus 3, that is factorial of 1. 5 into 4 into factorial of 3 upon factorial of 3 into this factorial 2, I am writing 2 into 1 into factorial of 4, that is 4 into factorial 3 upon factorial 3 into 1. This get cancelled. This get cancelled by this. 2 2s are 4. 5 2s are 10 into, that is 4. So answer is what? 40. Answer is what? 40. Is it correct? Yeah, fine. Thank you.